Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to study the subject SST. Lesson number 1 of SST is our universe. Now let us look at some objectives. The first objective of learning this subject is understanding the terms space, universe, stars, galaxy and constellation. इन शब्दों के अर्थ को हम अच्छी तरह समझने का प्रयास करेंगे. स्पेस, यूनिवर्स, स्टार्स, गैलेक्सी और कॉन्स्टेलेशंस. लर्निंग अबाउट द सोलर सिस्टम, प्लैनेट्स, एस्टेरॉइड्स एंड कॉमेट्स. सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में, प्लैनेट्स के बारे में, एस्टेरॉइड्स और कॉमेट्स के बारे में भी हम जानकारी हासिल करेंगे. लर्निंग अबाउट द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. तो पृथ्वी के एक नेचुरल सैटेलाइट के बारे में भी हम पढ़ाई करेंगे. इंट्रोडक्शन. व्हाट इज स्पेस? द रीजन बियॉन्ड द अर्थ्स एटमॉस्फेयर इज कॉल्ड द स्पेस. द सन, द मून, द स्टार्स, द प्लैनेट्स एंड मेनी अदर हेवनली बॉडीज आर लोकेटेड इन दिस स्पेस. तो स्पेस क्या है? पृथ्वी के चारों तरफ जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, वो एटमॉस्फेयर से बाहर का जो जगह है उसको स्पेस कहते हैं. सन, मून, स्टार्स और प्लैनेट्स, ये सारी चीजें स्पेस में लोकेटेड हैं. द यूनिवर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द यूनिवर्स? द यूनिवर्स इंक्लूड्स द सन, द मून, द अर्थ, द स्टार्स एंड ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ. तो यूनिवर्स किसे कहते हैं? जिसमें सन है, मून है, अर्थ है, स्टार्स है और सारे जीव जंतु एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. इट इज अ साइंटिफिक बिलीफ दैट द यूनिवर्स वाज बोर्न आउट ऑफ अ ह्यूज एक्सप्लोजन कॉल्ड द बिग बैंग. तो ये एक वैज्ञानिक विश्वास है कि जो यूनिवर्स है वो कैसे उत्पन्न हुआ? एक बहुत बड़े विस्फोट के द्वारा, जिसे हम बिग बैंग कहते हैं, Okay, so there we are. Now let us learn something about stars. What is a star? A star is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. There are millions of stars in the sky. Some, like the pole star or North Star, are recognizable and some are not recognizable. So what is a star? A huge ball of hot glowing gases. There are millions of stars. आकाश में हमको करोड़ों की तादाद में तारे दिखाई देंगे, लेकिन कुछ तारे पहचान में आते हैं, जैसे कि पोल स्टार्स और नॉर्थ स्टार्स, और कुछ है जो हम नहीं पहचान पाते. नॉर्थ स्टार समुद्र में पुराने ज़माने में यात्रा करने वाले या फिर ज़मीनी यात्रा करने वाले लोगों का मार्गदर्शन करता था. उत्तर की तरफ जाने वाले लोग या पश्चिम की तरफ जाने वाले लोग या दक्षिण की तरफ जाने वाले लोग उत्तर में दिखाई देने वाले इस तारे के सहारे अपने रास्तों को तय करते थे, अपने मार्गों को तय करते थे. What are galaxies? Galaxies are large group of stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. Okay, so what are galaxies? Galaxies are large group of stars. Okay, the sun and our earth are tiny part of a galaxy known as the Milky Way galaxy. जिस गैलेक्सी के हम भाग हैं, हम पार्ट हैं, उसे मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी हम लोग कहते हैं, और उसका एक छोटा सा भाग है सूरज और पृथ्वी. Got it? Okay, some group of stars form patterns in the sky, and some of these patterns, they look like animals or some other objects. They are called constellations. So group of stars that form patterns in the sky are called constellations. Got it? What is a constellation? A group of stars that forms patterns that look like animals or some other object. They are called constellation. Okay, now let us look at the solar system. What is the solar system? The Earth and the 7 other planets, including the moons, comets, asteroids that move around the sun together form the solar system or the sun's family. ठीक है, सूरज का अपना एक परिवार है जिसमें 7 प्लैनेट्स है, 8 प्लैनेट्स है, अर्थ को इंक्लूड करके 8 प्लैनेट्स है, उसके अपने मून्स हैं, कॉमेट्स और एस्टेरॉइड्स हैं। ये सब मिलाकर सूरज का परिवार, या उसको हम लोग सोलर सिस्टम कहते हैं। वी कॉल दैट सोलर सिस्टम। द सोलर सिस्टम कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स देयरफॉर ऑफ व्हाट? प्लैनेट्स। Okay, so there are how many planets? 8 planets. Okay, there were 9 planets, but now one planet has diminished. Okay, we call it a dwarf planet, Bona planet, जो अब दिखाई नहीं देता है, जिसका नाम है प्लूटो। लेकिन बाकी की 8 कौन से हैं? जो पहला और सूरज के सबसे करीब है, the one that is closer to the sun is Mercury, and the second one is Venus. The third one is the Earth. तो अर्थ का नंबर कौन सा है सूरज से? 3rd पोजीशन पर। The 4th one is Mars. 5th is Jupiter. Then we have Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Earlier there were 9 planets. One planet which was supposed to be beyond Neptune is now no more visible. That's why we only talk about 8 planets. Okay, then there are asteroids. What do the asteroids do and what are they? They are rocky particles, rocky things that orbit around the sun. So what are asteroids? Asteroids are rocky, things that orbit around the sun. Now what is a comet? Did you see that comet? Now there it comes. It has a tail attached to it. What does it constitute of? They are made up of rocks, ice and gases. It is because of that gases we see that long tail. They also move around the sun, revolve around the sun. Okay, so the planets, asteroids and comet, they move around the sun. But there is another thing that we have to talk about, and that is the moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. In fact, most of the planets, they have their own moons. They move and they revolve around the planet. So moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Though the moon is very small compared to the sun, it looks almost the same because it is much closer to the earth than the sun. मून छोटा होने पर भी सूरज जितना ही बड़ा दिखाई देता है। वो इसीलिए क्योंकि सूरज की तुलना में मून पृथ्वी से बहुत करीब है, सूरज बहुत दूर है और मून जो है उसकी तुलना में पृथ्वी से बहुत करीब है। इसीलिए मून और सन दोनों एक बराबर हमको दिखाई देते हैं। The different phases of moon. मून एक ही बार में सब पूरा दिखाई देता है क्या? नहीं दिखाई देता है ना। We are not able to see the moon every day just like that. We see different phases of the moon. When there is no moon, it is called new moon. Did you understand that? When we don't see the moon, that thing is called, or that phase of the moon is called new moon. And then we have the crescent moon. Then we have half moon. Then we have gibbous moon, which is a little more than the half moon. And then we have the full moon. Again it starts reducing. On the other end, the gibbous moon, the half moon, the crescent moon, and then no moon. Okay, that is new moon. Right? So that is the moon. Let us do a quick revision of everything that we have studied in this chapter. That's all is there in this chapter. Okay? So let us look at it point by point. The first thing that we have studied is the universe includes the sun, the stars, the planets, the moons, the asteroids, and all forms of life. And then a galaxy is a group of stars. Got it? What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a group of stars. The sun is at the center of the solar system, and the 8 planets, they revolve around it. Okay? The sun is the center of the solar system, and the 8 planets, they revolve around it. Asteroids and comets are some other objects in the space that revolve around the sun. So remember, apart from the planets, we have the asteroids and the comets that revolves around the sun. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Let us do some exercises now. Tick the correct answers. Which of the following is a constellation? Option A, Milky Way. Option B, asteroid. Option C, Orion. And the answer is option C, Orion. Second one. Which of the following is called a dwarf planet? I told you. Option A, Pluto. Option B, Mars. Option C, Mercury. So which one is it? It has to be Pluto, because we are not able to see Pluto anymore. So it is called a dwarf planet. The only natural satellite of the Earth is option A, Moon. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Venus. Jupiter and Venus, they are planets, aren't they? So the answer is option A, Moon, which is the Earth's only natural satellite. Now fourth one, there are dash planets in the solar system. How many planets are there in the solar system? 7, 8 or 9? Earlier it was 9, but now because we are not able to see Pluto, we are left with only 8 planets. So the option B is the right option. 8 planets. Okay? Now fill in the blanks. These are the options: satellite, Big Bang, moon, galaxy, orbits. The first one, planets revolve around the sun in the respective definite paths called dash, orbits. Right. Most scientists believe that the universe was born out of a huge explosion called the dash. What is it? Big Bang. A dash is a small object that revolves around the planet. A satellite is a small object that revolves around the planet. The dash is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Answer is very easy. Moon. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Now fifth one, a large group of stars is known as a dash. What is the answer? The answer has to be galaxy. Got it? So this is fill in the blanks. Now let us look at true or false statements. The first one, stars are huge balls of hot glowing gases. It is true. The pole star helps travelers find the south direction. No. It helps the travelers find the north direction. So that is false. The solar system is a tiny part of the huge Milky Way galaxy. That is also true. Asteroids are small rocky bodies that orbit the Earth. Asteroids are small rocky bodies that orbit the Earth. No, it orbits around the Sun. So the option is false. Fifth one, Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. And the answer is true. Okay, so let us look at the question and answers now. What are the stars made up of? Answer is, stars are made up of huge balls of hot glowing gases. Remember that, hot glowing gases. Huge balls of hot glowing gases. What is the solar system? The planets and their moons, the asteroids and the comets which move around the sun is called the solar system or the sun's family. Now the question number 3. What is a galaxy? Galaxies are a large group of stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. The sun and the earth are part of the Milky Way galaxy. So what is a galaxy? Galaxies are large group of stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. The sun and the earth are part of the Milky Way galaxy. Name the 8 planets of the solar system. This is a very important question. You have to memorize this question. Answer is, the 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Remember it in the sequence. Always remember it in the sequence. So, the first one is Mercury. The second one is Venus. The third one is Earth. Fourth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, what is a natural satellite? A natural satellite is a small object that revolves around a planet. Okay, what is a natural satellite? A natural satellite is a small object that revolves around a planet. For example, Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Now, we have finished all the exercises. Let us look at some homework, something for you to do at home. First one, take the correct answers, fill in the blanks, question and answers in your notebook neatly. Memorize all the tick the correct answers, fill in the blanks, and question and answers. Okay? Now, for better understanding, watch the video on YouTube with the title The Solar System, the link of which is given below. Okay, children? That's all for now. Goodbye and stay safe. God bless you.